Hello chat and welcome to my kitchen. As you guys know, I always have the correct attire. So hold on. Yeah. Yeah, we got the Skyline clipped in. And the Skyline on the back. This is a real employee t-shirt. I wear a large and this is a small. So it's not great. We have a just chocolate cake mix. And then I have all the ingredients to make a cake from scratch. I thought I had vanilla extract. I don't have vanilla extract, but that's fine because Skyline Chilli is enough flavor. Better safe than sorry. We're making a Skyline cake. I think we're beyond that. Dog cam, the boy. We have the most important ingredients. 3 cans of Skyline chili. It's a delicious, watery chili that you put over spaghetti. Will the final product be edible? Technically, yes. Dude, what do they make this out of? At least make it with some love. I am making it with as much love as I can. Hold on. Chat, I just realized I don't have measuring cups. She took the measuring cups in the divorce. Measure off vibes. I found a half a cup. We're cooking with gas now, brother. I got 3 cans. And I think we put a can in each cake. And then we save 1 can for daddy later. This is what it looks like. You're putting that in your body willingly? Oh yeah. Oh, dog cam. Yo, what's up, big guy? Okay, see you later, man. Do you think this is what Betty Crocker intended for her recipes to become? It definitely smells like chocolate cake. But then you get a little bit of meat that isn't really welcome. But why? For content. Add a bit of beer for the culture. We're gonna go with a little yeah. Okay, that's good. Let me give it my best shot, okay? She just looks uncomfortable. Echo has arrived for chili. Alright, here. That was about half a can of chili. Also, we still got the shoes on because no free toes. Is this cake pan is gonna be too small, isn't it? Huh. I hope cakes don't rise. Oh wait, hold on. We have to play our theme song. There's a lot of new people in chat.
We're nearly out of time, but you're doing fine. So stay on track.
Oh, we need a timer. I don't know how long this goes for.
Everybody supersonic racing. Try to keep your feet right on the ground. When you're supersonic racing, don't you know?
Cause everybody's supersonic race. Dude, that song slaps so fucking hard and it doesn't need to. That's Betty Crocker, right? This is what you have to tell your children what Betty Crocker looked like. Can I see the master Betty Crocker impersonator's attempt at one of these? Flawless. Thank you. I try, you know. Hold on, boys. New Photoshop just dropped. This is perfection. This is art. She took the measuring cups in the divorce. Do I just do this forever? Oh my god, dude, my forearms are gonna be fucking jacked. Yo, first time chatter, coffee, use your fingers. That is not a request a first time chatter can request, okay? I gotta like take you to dinner first and like... Is this what I'm supposed to make? Is this correct? I think it needs a little longer in the oven, boys. My finger goes in there, I pull up, 3-degree burn. Finger gone, skin gone, 3rd-degree burns. The whole Cincinnati chili thing is like secret ingredient or whatever, is that it has dark chocolate and cinnamon, I believe. So the chocolate cake honestly should come out pretty decent because it's just chocolate, meat, and cinnamon. It looks a little bit like diarrhea. I don't think you can tell through the camera, all of the other ingredients are gone. It's just chili now. That looks insane. Charcoal cam! Charcoal! Charcoal! Ah! Here's Goober. You want to see what my silverware is kept in? A fucking old pickle container. We got a new Photoshop. About 3 more vibes flour. Little man! Little man! Does this need more flour? Wait, this is vanilla. This is unsweetened vanilla almond milk. That's where our vanilla comes from. There's nothing masking this. This just smells like a Skyline restaurant. Where's your alcoholic beverage? True, hold on. Ugh. Yeah. Looks like shit. Good consistency though. That's what we're looking for. Diarrhea aesthetic. God, the smell. Look at that. Just like a baby's diaper. This is my magnum opus. Into the oven it goes, boys. I think it's cooled enough. Worst case scenario, I eat fucking chocolate covered beef chunks. Oh no. Here's the cross. Here's the cross that... Oh my God. It smells like I just walked into a Skyline restaurant. If you're in Ohio or a Cincinnati native, you know that Skyline has to be eaten with pasta. So here's your Gordon Ramsay level plating. I came prepared with pasta. He better be happy. Gordon Ramsay better be fucking happy. Look at that shit. Here's the bite. Here's the taste test. This is what you all have been waiting for. This is what you all want. You guys are gonna be disappointed. It's kind of good. I taste the Skyline back here. It's in the throat. That it just tastes like moist but bland chocolate cake, which is why we made the other one that's in the oven right now, because that one has no extra flavorings. I don't even take another goddamn bite. Could you serve it to someone as regular cake without them questioning? Absolutely. I could 100% absolutely serve this to somebody and they'd be like, huh, you made bad chocolate cake. And I'd be like, yeah, that's my bad. This motherfucker is dense. Man, I don't want to throw this away. I don't want to waste all this delicious cake. I feel it brewing in my stomach. Oh, coffee redeemed the hydrate. Here you go, brother. Yeah. What's up, moms in the chat? How's it going? Y'all having a good evening? Yeah. You know what I mean? Let me show you something cool, moms. What about this? How does this make you feel? What about this one? Are you gonna take my measuring cups in the divorce? Gang, gang, moms. I'm the next Young Gravy. Trust on God. I'm corn. Corn checks out? Why does corn check out? What does that even mean? I was thinking of this. The Cutie Cinderella Master Baker. I'm gonna use this VOD as my audition for this show. Flawless Pacer. That's what they call me, baby. Hey, yo, moms in the chat. You need a flawless pisser? That just looks like a good loaf of like banana bread. It smells fucked. So this is what we're working with. Oh good lord. If you truly are up above, please have mercy and spare my intestines for this atrocity that I have created. For, good lord, I am simply trying to entertain your disciples. Amen. It's like glue. Let's be clear. It's not good. I gotta hold on. Hold on. Like this part is more cooked than this bottom part. This is foul. Whatever this creation is not meant for human consumption. Like this bottom oily part. It doesn't even taste like cake. It just tastes like oily, somewhat sweet mush that a person who ate Skyline Chilli for dinner farted on. This top section doesn't have all of like the oil in it, and it's like the correct texture of cake. Oh, the top part is inhumane. It lingers. Oh, dude. I'm gonna go lay on the couch and hope that my stomach doesn't implode. So if you're on Twitch, make sure to follow on Twitch, join the Discord, subscribe to the YouTube channel.